Part 1. Use our ugly chicken strategies to annotate each question, circle keywords, and define them. Number 1. What is a stereotype? A. Something only children believe. B. A type of stereo music player. C. When a person is shown in a way that is not completely true, but is often believed to be true. D. Something only Americans do. Number 2. Stereotypes can affect how people treat each other. A. True. B. False. Number 3. Stereotypes exist because people believe them in which of the following? Books, movies and television, the news, all of the above. Number 4. Stereotypes are more common in the past and not today. True or false? Number 5. What is a stereotype? A. A way of thinking of anything. B. How people react. C. An image, ideal, or model associated with a group. D. A feeling that causes you to be different. Number 6. The idea that humans can be categorized into groups based on skin color and physical appearance is A. Race. B. Class. C. Gender. Or D. Privilege. Number 7. What is Islamophobia? A. Being kind to a stranger. B. Fear of spiders. C. Fear, hatred of, or prejudice against the Islamic religion or Muslims. D. Hatred, fear, or prejudice against the Islamic religion or Catholics. Part 2. Primary and secondary sources. Read each question and determine if it is a primary or secondary source. 8. A map of New York City from 1777. 9. An interview with the survivor of September 11th. 10. Anne Frank's autobiography, Diary of a Young Girl. 11. A Wikipedia article about Malcolm X. 12. A cell phone video of President Barack Obama's inauguration speech. Part 3. Maps. Draw your compass rose to help you. You must spell out each state for full credit. Looking at the map, which state is directly north of California? 14. Which state is south of Colorado? 15. Which state is west of Kentucky? 16. How many states are in the United States? 17. Fill in the blanks to our race rap. You got to restate the question in the blank, because that's what blank do. Then blank with no flexing, and don't miss a clue. Blank your answer with evidence of where you found it from. Then blank by explaining, because we blank until it's done. Part 4, vocabulary. In the boxes below, define each vocabulary word. You may use words or pictures to explain your answer. All pictures must include an explanation and details. Part 5, short answer. Use your race strategies to answer the following questions. You must show every step for full credit. 19. Should students take a social justice class in school? Why or why not? 20. What is one thing that we've learned in class that has stuck with you the most and why? 22. Extend and response race strategies. Use your race strategies to answer the following questions. You must show every step for full credit. The article, Let's Plant a Tree. According to Time magazine, Humans cut down about 15 billion trees each year, and almost 27,000 trees are cut down every day just to make toilet paper. The wood from trees is used to make important things like furniture, homes, and boats. We need trees for these things, but we also need trees to help us breathe. Trees produce or make oxygen, which is important for every living thing on Earth. And trees are also homes for animals like birds, insects, and spiders. This Earth Day, give your planet a present, and plant a tree. How do trees benefit the environment? Please use your race strategies to answer the question. If you need more paper, please raise your hand and scrap paper will be provided for you.